Terraria, despite being a 2D game, often experiences high CPU usage that can cause lag, overheating, and system instability. While this isn't unique to Terraria, its architecture makes it particularly vulnerable. The game's focus on procedural world generation and real-time simulation demands significant CPU resources. This stems from tasks like creating vast worlds on the fly, managing numerous entities such as NPCs and enemies, and synchronizing data in multiplayer mode. Relogic, Terraria's developer, has released patches to address CPU usage issues. Let's explore the recent updates and their impact. The developer, Relogic, has been actively addressing these performance concerns through game updates. The most significant update was the Labor of Love version 1.4.4.9, released in December 2023. This patch included key performance optimizations, such as improved multi-threading for world loading and reduced background CPU overhead. While these updates have provided significant improvements, CPU spikes can still occur, especially during intensive gameplay like boss fights or when using mods. The Task Manager shows how CPU usage can remain high despite optimizations. To minimize issues, always keep your game updated to access the latest fixes. Relogic has acknowledged ongoing CPU concerns and continues to promise further optimizations in future updates. Several quick fixes can drastically reduce CPU load in Terraria. Try using launch options like -Force D3D11 or -Force D3D9 in Steam, depending on your system. Disabling VSync and capping your frame rate through your graphics card control panel, like NVIDIA or AMD, can also help. Many users report a 20 to 50% reduction in CPU usage with these tweaks. Lowering resolution and disabling fancy effects in the game settings can also help reduce CPU load. Beyond in-game settings, system optimizations can significantly improve Terraria's performance. First, ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can cause high CPU usage. Second, run Terraria as an administrator to avoid permission issues that might limit performance. Third, close unnecessary background applications. These consume CPU resources that Terraria needs. Fourth, for AMD CPUs, high CPU usage often stems from inefficient power management. Updating your BIOS can fix up to 50% of these cases. These simple system optimizations can free up resources and significantly improve Terraria's performance. Mods play a significant role in Terraria's CPU usage issues. Popular modifications like Calamity add complex computations that often run on the game's main CPU thread, creating performance bottlenecks. These modifications increase the workload on Terraria's main processing thread. Since the game uses limited multi-threading, all this extra code competes for the same CPU resources, leading to higher usage and potential performance problems. The primary tool for managing mods is Tmod Loader. Keeping this software updated to the latest version is crucial, as newer releases often include performance optimizations and bug fixes that can reduce CPU usage. When running mods, it's important to monitor your system's CPU usage. Tools like Windows Task Manager or MSI Afterburner can show you exactly how much processor power is being consumed during gameplay, helping you identify problematic mods. If you notice high CPU usage, consider managing your mods more carefully. Try disabling mods one by one to see which ones have the biggest impact, then remove or replace the most demanding ones with optimized alternatives. For advanced users, profiling tools like JetBrains Trace can analyze exactly where CPU time is being spent. This helps identify which specific mods or code sections are creating the most performance issues, allowing for targeted fixes. Platform-specific considerations play a key role in managing Terraria's CPU usage, as different operating systems handle the game's demands in unique ways. On Windows 11, users can enable compatibility mode to emulate older operating system features, which helps reduce CPU overhead from outdated game code. Linux users running Terraria through Proton can benefit from newer Proton versions, which improve compatibility and reduce CPU load. Additionally, Feral's Game Mode tool instructs the CPU to prioritize performance, potentially dropping usage by 40% for smoother gameplay. Mobile versions on iOS and Android are usually well optimized, but older devices may experience CPU spikes during intensive gameplay. Capping the frame rate in settings can help manage this and prevent overheating. The future looks promising for Terraria's CPU optimization. Developers may integrate more multi-threading or Vulkan support, potentially reducing CPU usage significantly. Hardware advancements like DDR5 RAM and efficient CPUs could make high CPU usage less prevalent as systems become more capable. However, growing mod popularity could sustain the problem, potentially leading to official modding tools from Relogic to better manage CPU load. AI-assisted optimization tools are also emerging in the gaming community to reduce the need for manual tweaks and configurations. Environmental factors like energy-efficient gaming driven by sustainability trends may push for better optimization to reduce overall power consumption in gaming. Don't struggle alone. The Terraria community is a valuable resource for tackling high CPU usage issues. The Terraria Wiki's optimization guide serves as an excellent starting point, providing comprehensive troubleshooting steps. This guide compiles over 500 user-submitted fixes with an impressive 85% success rate for basic adjustments like disabling vertical sync. Additionally, official Relogic forums and Steam discussion boards offer the most current updates and solutions from both developers and fellow players. By sharing your experiences and learning from others in these communities, you can significantly optimize your Terraria gameplay experience.